On January 19th, 2025, TikTok was officially banned in the United States. And this led to the removal of TikTok from the App Store and the Google Play Store and some other applications that belong to ByteDance. An example is CapCut and other applications that were on the App Store that belongs to ByteDance, which is the company that created CapCut and then TikTok. After 24 hours, I got this message from TikTok saying that TikTok is back in the USA, and this is as a result of President Trump's effort. I was very happy seeing this because I have most of my TikTok pin pages in the USA and I was currently making money from them. Now, this is what I noticed after TikTok was back in the USA. If you already had the application on your mobile phone, you find it really difficult to update the application after TikTok was reinstated in the US, either on the App Store or the Play Store. If you don't have the app completely on your phone and you are looking to download the application, this is what you get. It tells you that TikTok is not in the region, even though they have reinstated TikTok in the US, and then you can use it in the US due to President Trump's effort. Today's video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can bypass this and then download TikTok onto your phone after the ban. Because even though TikTok is in the US, you have problems downloading it from the App Store or the Play Store. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can do this. And after this tutorial, you'll be able to update the application, which is TikTok, if you're currently facing problems with updating it. And also, if you do not have it on your phone at all, this tutorial is going to also help you download it onto your phone without any problem, so that you guys can make money with the TikTok creator rewards and then the TikTok shop. I'm going to leave each and every tool that I'll be using in this video in the description. You can then click on it to support me. All right, now on your phone, you would probably head on to the App Store and then search for TikTok. Right here, you can see that it says TikTok and other ByteDance apps are not available in your current region. And now my current region is the United States. Okay, so when I click on Learn More, now it's going to take us to a page where it tells us about the availability of TikTok in the United States. And it says that a list of these apps that were created by ByteDance, which is the company that created TikTok, TikTok Studio, Lemon 8, Hippic, and then CapCut. And all these applications that were created by ByteDance that I just mentioned are not currently available in the United States. Even though I was sent a message that ByteDance is back in the United States due to President Trump's effort. So watch the tutorial carefully. I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can do this. From here, I'm going to search for Nord. This is the VPN that I'm using, and I'll leave links in the description to Nord. You can click on it and then purchase yours. Okay, so here I'm going to set my location to Dallas. And right from here, I'm going to go back to the App Store and then search for TikTok once more. It says that TikTok and other ByteDance apps are not available in a country. And you can see that I set it to United States. All right. So what we need to do here is that I'm going to search for CapCut. And then I am going to check if CapCut is also available in the United States. It says the same thing. TikTok and other ByteDance apps are not available in your current region. So you saw me put the location to United States. All right, so I'm going to click on my Apple ID and click on it again. It's going to take me to settings. Now in the settings menu, I'm going to type in my password, and right here I can click on country and then region, country or region. So I'm going to click on country or region. You can see it's at United States. The best thing to do here is to change it. Okay, so I'm going to click on change country or region, and I'm going to look through. And the best country that I can think of is United Kingdom. So I'm going to select United Kingdom right here as my country and region. I'm going to click on agree. These are the terms and conditions. I can click on agree. I still have the USA VPN on. You don't need to worry. So I'm going to set the payment method to none, and this is my name. You can type in your billing name, and here with the street and the postcode and the county, we're going to go to Fox ID, which is a site that can give you the locations or address. So I'm going to type in Fox ID right here, and from here I'm going to click on it. It's going to take me to a site where I can then get address in the UK. So I'm going to change the country from United States to UK. Where are you? Okay, so UK, and I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so once I click on generate, it's going to show me an address from United Kingdom. Okay, so right from here I am going to copy this address and then fill it in right here. So I'm going to paste it and go back and then copy the address, 4 Hill and then paste it here. Allow paste. All right, for Hill Traffic Way. I'm going to go back to the site again and fill in these details one by one, and this is going to help us change our location to the United Kingdom so that we can get access to applications that are created by ByteDance. Okay, so postcode, I copied it and I pasted it here. Town, and I'm going to copy Lake Isaac or something. So let me click on that one and come back here and then paste it right here. Okay, for the county, I can paste Lake Isaac once again. So Lake Isaac, I'm going to type it in, and with a mobile phone number, you can go onto the site and you can see you have a phone number there at Fox ID, and so I'm going to copy that phone number and then paste it right here. All right, so this is it. So I will click on next. So once I'm done, I'm going to check through, and you can see that my country, it's in United Kingdom, and so I can click on next, and then it's going to change the region. Now this is where the trick is. Okay, the magic lies. So I'm going to search for TikTok once more with the US VPN still on, and voila, we have TikTok, and then we can download TikTok from here. Okay, so you can click on get the app to get it, and there you go. You can now have access to TikTok. If you're currently facing problems after TikTok was reinstated in the United States, so that is how you can do it. All you need to do is to head on to settings and then change your region, and you can see right here that I have TikTok downloaded on my phone, and all the ByteDance applications that were not showing up initially would show up, like CapCut, TikTok Studio, and all the rest. All right, so I'm downloading this right here, and you can see the app is downloaded. I'm going to click on open to open it. So this simple trick can help you get access to TikTok if you're finding it really difficult to update the app after TikTok was reinstated in the United States, or if you don't have the app at all, you can then use this trick to download the app onto your phone if you're in the US, or you are trying to target US audience or trying to get US TikTok. All right, so this is a simple trick and how you can do it. If you like the video, consider subscribing. My name is L Jones, and then I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.